Hey everyone, so today we're going to study about the TCA cycle. So TCA cycle is also known as the Krebs cycles or citric acid cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. So it takes place in a matrix, takes place or occur inside the matrix of mitochondria. So first, the step in the cellular respiration is the glycolysis. And then the second step is the pyruvic oxidation to produce the precursor that is required for the Krebs cycle, which is the pyruvate. And then the pyruvate oxidation is will produce the acetyl-CoA, which is the precursor that we will use to in the next step, which is in the TCA cycle. So first of all, our pyruvate from the glycolysis, we have two pyruvate is converted into the acetyl-CoA with the aid of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And we also have the coenzyme A synthetase, CoASH. We also have the magnesium Mg2 plus ion. And we have other cofactors as well that will help in the aids to produce the acetyl-CoA. And then in the TCA cycle, we have 8 steps. So the first step is the combination. The oxaloacetate will combine with the acetyl-CoA produced by the pyruvate oxidation. So we combine. This is a 4 carbon, and then acetyl-CoA is 2 carbon molecules. So we just combine these two to produce a citrate, which is a 6 carbon compound. It is the first step is phosphorylated by the enzyme citrate synthase. So it involves the addition of water, and then the second step, when we produce the citrate, it is isomerized into its isomer, which is known as the isocitrate. This step, which is the second step, is helped by the enzyme aconitase. And then what happened in the third step is the isocitrate, which is the isomer of the citrate, will become the alpha ketoglutarate. It is oxidized into the alpha ketoglutarate with the aid of enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. The third step, which is this step, is known as the oxidative decarboxylation, whereas carbon dioxide is produced from the splitting of the molecules, and then at the same time the oxidizing agent, which is the NAD plus, will oxidize into the NADH. So NADH is produced in the third step. So same goes in the fourth step, which is the step 4. The alpha ketoglutarate will convert it into the succinyl-CoA with the enzyme phosphorylated by the enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. And then the same thing, NAD plus is oxidized into the NADH. This step 4 is also known as the oxidative decarboxylation as well, because it also produces carbon dioxide as the side product or the byproducts. And what happened in the fifth step is the succinyl-CoA will become the succinate with the aid of enzyme succinyl-CoA synthetase. And then we have the subphase, inside this, which is the ADP will become ATP with the aid of enzyme nucleoside diphosphate kinase, and then GDP, guanine diphosphate, will become the guanine triphosphate, and then the phosphate group from the GTP is transferred into the ADP to produce the ATP. So there are two enzymes involved in the fifth step, which is the succinate-CoA synthetase and also the nucleoside diphosphate kinase. And what happened in the sixth step is the succinate will become the fumarate with phosphorylated by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. And then the sixth steps also involve the oxidizing agent, which is the FAD. The FAD molecule will oxidize into FADH2. So FADH2 is another product in the TCA cycle. And then the seventh step, step 7, the fumarate will become the malate with the aid of enzyme fumarase. And then it also involves the addition of water. And the last step, the malate will reduced into the oxalic acetate phosphorylated by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. So it will generate back our precursor for the TCA cycle, which is the oxaloacetate, 4 carbon molecules. And then the X state also will produce another ADH, which is an electron carrier by oxidation reactions. So the step 3, step 4, 6, and 8 are oxidation step, which is it involves the oxidation reactions. And then there are 2 types of oxidizing agents in the TCA cycle, which are the NAD plus and FAD. And then the products of the TCA cycles are 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 ATP or GDP, and 2 carbon dioxide as the byproducts. So the final product will be 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 ATP or GTP, and 4 carbon dioxide, because the TCA cycle will conduct 2 times. It will happen 2 times because we have 2 pyruvate here. So that's all for my explanation. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like.